Paying with Klarna on eBay is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your Klarna app on your mobile device. Go to the search bar and search for eBay. Now, tap on eBay. Here, search for anything that you want to buy from eBay. On scrolling down, you'll find a number of products. Tap to open your desired product and tap on Buy It Now. Here, it says that you can only pay with Klarna at any partner stores, and eBay is not a partner store. Tap on Got It to continue. Now, go back and tap on Purchases. Then go to Wallet and tap on Skip, and then click on Add to add a payment card. In order to proceed, we will need to create an in-store digital card, so click on Create and Continue. Search eBay and add it. Once it is added, click on Create Digital Card. Now your digital card is created. By using it, you can buy whatever you want from eBay. Select your product from the eBay store and click on Buy It Now. You can buy it by using the digital card we have just created.